Pod kaluwore kod wach mar El Nino eni jatend piny William Ruto singone jo Kenya ni piny owacho okawo okenge makare mapiyo piyo mag kedo kod midhiero mar kodh El Nino. Jatend piny oywago jo Kenya maromo 70 ma nyaka sani osewito ngimagi kaluwore koda kodhni ka familia maromo 36,160 pi oula osedaro. Omedo ni bilion 2.4 osegol mar konyo jo Kenya ma kodhni okelonegi masira kokalo chwalonegi gik kony moting'o chiemo.
As you're all aware, last week, Government of Kenya made available resources to the special, to the Ministry of ASAL to make sure that adequate food is available. Already 2.4 billion shillings have been made available to buy food and to make sure that that food is delivered where it is most needed. Adequate resources will be required, and that is why this team is now working on numbers so that we can mobilize the resources necessary to make sure that we attend to the roads that have been washed away, provide alternative roads and pathways to different parts of the country, to make sure that we deliver medicine to different parts of the country, and to ensure that no part of Kenya is left in the dark by making sure that we deliver fuel.